ever forgiving and merciful.
So is there a reference of Hijrah being from Mecca to Medina? No, we don't have mental ailment tablets. Mental ailment tablets he doesn't have. We have one man struggling, the second man panicking and refusing to struggle, and the third man asking a couple of questions and already backing. Looking at his beard, I can see that he is taking his religion seriously. Now what I am rather finding out is that he is taking a religion seriously without having a clue. Keep your distance from him. Keep your distance from him. Please come here. Explain to me. Please come here. Muhammad of Islam, what evidence have you got for Muhammad of Islam? What evidence have you got to construct the history of Muhammad of Islam?
So you want me to prove that Muhammad is
historical. Muhammad of Islam is historical. Come here, please. The sun. We need the light on our faces for camera. Please come. Why do you think Muhammad of Islam, Mecca, Medina, Hijrah, Ummah in Medina, fight with the Jews and stuff, and then returning to Mecca? Jewish, the three tribes, in Medina, and then returning to Mecca and taking over Hijazi for Islam. So sure, but no, once. So this Muhammad.
Yeah, I know Muhammad.
Don't come too close to him.
I need to speak to my brother.
No, he is not from your mental asylum. Please give him his space.
Yeah, but the problem is I say
Okay, that's fine. Now I will try and I will advise you to do the same because he's a little bit. But to you, what is the evidence, historical evidence that you have for this person called Muhammad of Islam?
Do you want me to
messages from the other rulers and governors around the Islamic world.
History.
What he's saying is that basically, what evidence do we have for Muhammad
believing in Muhammad to be?
Because I can say, for example, in Jesus Christ, history, many different scholars who have confirmed Jesus Christ who are not Christian. So, for example, even NASA confirmed that on the 3rd of April 33 AD, there was a blood moon in the sky. Yeah. You can check NASA.
No, but coming to you now. Once. So now to you. Once. Sure. Thank you. Thank you. Sure.
Jesus was exist.
Just once.
We do not deny.
To you, my dear friend. Please. Sure. Wait. Please don't. Wow. Look at him. Sure. Okay. Please come here.
I'm speaking.
Sure. Please come. Please. My dear friend.
There are so many evidence. Do you want
Sure. Please.
Do you want
no, once. Don't. He's distracting. Please. He is distracting. No, he is distracting. Please. To you. What historical evidence have you got? No, we don't have mental ailment tablets.
Why are you so scared?
Mental ailment tablets he doesn't have.
You got mental issue.
No, you. I haven't got your tablets with you.
Sorry, I can't help you if you got a mental issue, but I can't direct you.
What evidence have you got? What historical evidence have you got?
Ask him, man the father.
Say again.
Ask him, who is the father?
Moses and Jesus as well.
Do you pray to the father or you pray
For Jesus.
to Jesus?
My dear friend.
I said that the Quran is the proof, the message.
So the Quran is the proof, yeah? So go through the Quran.
I would tell you that
Once.
Quran. Yeah, I would tell you.
You said Quran.
I would tell you.
People end up one day saying, three become
a lot
one.
of things does not exist until
Sure. Love it. I'm focused on the person called Muhammad.
Okay.
So now tell me,
What do you want to know about him?
I'll ask if you don't. What information about Muhammad is there in the Quran?
So many information. He's a prophet.
Do you know? Is that
Prophet of God. To obey the prophet
excuse me.
of God.
Once. Where in the Quran? Where in the Quran do you get the idea that Muhammad mainly operated in Mecca? Where?
They mentioned in the Quran that Prophet Muhammad is a messenger. They named him 5 times.
Listen to me carefully.
Yes, I'm listening.
Where in the Quran do you get the idea that Muhammad primarily lived initially in Mecca.
He mentioned in the Quran that he lived in Mecca, like he wants to go with his messenger.
Where?
Do you think he lives in London?
I don't know. I think you should keep distance from me.
You're
That's
asking a
all.
stupid question. This is very stupid question.
What do you think? Where do you think he is?
Do you know how many times the word Mecca shows up in the Quran? One time.
No, that's not true.
So,
They mentioned Mecca in 5 times.
so this is very stupid question.
Yeah, very stupid.
So, what is
How
his
many?
point? Ask him what is his
Where? Show me where does the word Mecca show?
Let me talk. No, I'm not sure. They mentioned
إن أول
Mecca 5
بيت الذي وضع للناس هو الذي
by
ببكة.
different names. Like
Different names, yeah.
Mecca and Bakka.
Baka. Is Baka the same as Mecca? How many, please? Put your hand once. Once. Don't panic. Once. Don't panic. Don't panic. Get help from him, but don't panic. Get help from him. He knows how to remain cool when he is utterly clueless. He knows it. He has done that in the past. How many times the word Mecca? Maybe you can answer yourself. He is struggling. Lovely to see. How you doing? Your video is viral. Your video in operations, even your video. So now tell me.
Finish my point.
Sure.
I
We are
made a
now.
very good point, but you didn't let me.
I know
when
you
have a
said
good
that.
point,
Now-
you shut me down.
In terms of
You
Muhammad,
don't let me speak.
once. In terms of Muhammad of Islam, the one who was born in Mecca, went to Medina on a hijrah, persecuted in Mecca,
Yeah.
and in Medina established an ummah, and then returned to Mecca. What evidence have you got for this Muhammad?
Well, do you want historical evidence?
Yeah.
What are you looking for?
This is a claim. These are claims about history, and therefore we need
What,
history.
what, what do you think
ما
happened?
بين ده وما بين ده.
Look at him carefully.
Are you?
Do you have evidence or not?
في كيان الإله
Say again? Well, I mean,
Do you have evidence or not?
entity of God.
well, there is evidence, isn't there?
Please, don't
It's an-
ask me. You tell me.
It's an
Give me
absurd.
the evidence.
It's an absurd thing to say that he wasn't.
Asking questions is absurd.
عشان يبقى الناس مهزوزة زي
You're asking me to prove something
I'm asking him to prove something. That's absurd.
that.
My dear friend, what's your name?
I mean,
What's your
you've
name?
got ancient.
One second.
Okay, you've got ancient Talmudic inscriptions found in the region, including names like Abd Meccat and Mekki of Mecca, suggesting the city was known as. Okay.
Are you
So many
confused?
historians mention the name
Are you
of the-
confused?
of the new
I am here.
prophet.
What? Say again.
I'm asking for evidence for Muhammad of Islam. The first part of that is
In Mecca.
where do you get the idea or information that Muhammad was mainly based in Mecca? Where do you get that insight from?
The evidence would be from, the huge amount of, sources of people and commentary being made about
Where was
Muhammad.
Muhammad if he wasn't
There is
in
huge
Mecca?
sources.
Yes.
So
there
begin
must-
somewhere.
If it's just one
Begin- so-
person saying, but
once,
if a thousand
once,
are
once.
if a million
If,
people are saying something,
if
then
there are a million people saying that, let's start with one of the million. What source are you citing?
His genealogy.
Well, Abu Bakr,
This is
Abu Bakr wrote a book.
Uthman,
the message.
What source are you citing?
Uthman,
The Roman
How do you know
Umar,
that?
in the
Listen
area.
carefully.
Ali.
And in Levant.
Are they all alive? Have you spoken to them?
well, the chain can carry on.
But listen to me carefully. So they are not alive.
So I'm
Yeah.
giving
You haven't spoken to them.
brother here.
So to you, they are not a source. What is your source of information?
Quran mentioned the hijrah of Muhammad in
Him.
Yes,
What is
yes,
your
I
source
agree.
of information?
I mean, actually, he is very knowledgeable as well. The Quran is mentioning hijrah. Yes,
I thought you
he is
came
my-
to help him.
He's giving you a right answer.
Sure. Okay.
He's
Tag
giving
team
you a right
together.
answer.
Sure. Tag
We
team
Muslims
together.
we
Don't, please, one second. Don't do we Muslims, please.
Yeah.
I'm looking for a viral video right now
All
with
right,
you. I'm sorry. Now, so tag team partners, what is the source? You're a lovely man. What is the source of information that you have that Muhammad was mainly based in Mecca? Simple.
Quran mentioned the hijrah of Muhammad from Mecca to Medina.
Good. You see, at least he's making a start. So he is saying that the Quran makes mention of a hijrah from Mecca to Medina. Good start. You heard that? Do you agree?
Yes, I agree.
Where is it?
But I thought you wouldn't accept
Where?
that.
Where is it?
That's why I
Where
didn't
is it?
I didn't memorize all the.
Yeah, I'm not. You don't have to
You can
memorize.
search in your
Look,
phone.
I have done my studies. It's not here. If you think it is there, please tell me where is it.
Okay,
Do you know where is it?
search.
Where it is?
I know.
Do your
I
Google
know
search.
in Arabic. I don't know in English.
Sure. Google
I
search.
know in Arabic.
Sure.
I know in English.
Do. Have you got a? Is that a smartphone?
Sunnah and hadith.
Is that a smartphone?
Everywhere.
Don't look at him. He won't help you. Google.
So many
Prophet
Islamic
Google.
books.
Search in
So
English. I
many
can't search
authentic
Is that a
books
smartphone?
saying the biography of
Instead
the
of
Prophet.
panicking, work. Find out where. Simple. He is working already. You can also, please. Tag team partners.
بالعربي طلع لك إيه؟ واحد.
Don't disturb him. He's disturbing you.
It's just a clown.
I am trying to see if I can give you pass marks before I let you go. Say
I
again.
know in Arabic.
No, type in Arabic.
Okay.
Use your phone.
You tell him
No, source, reference, I can read.
Ask him
Surah
about his
name,
God. Ask him about
Surah
his God. He was
name,
runaway.
my dear friend. Hello, my dear friend. Surah name, ayat number, I'll get it here. Please find. Where in the Quran do you have evidence for a hijrah from Mecca to Medina?
Nisa 4:100.
Listen to him. First, let him also finish his inquiry.
So many verses here.
Let's do one at a time, yeah?
Nahl 6.
One at a time. Yeah, one at a time. Yeah, please.
Ahzab 33.
One at a time. So, my dear friend, your friend here, tag team partner, has come up with some ideas. He's not convinced of your ideas there. Okay, let's while he's
Tell
searching.
him in Arabic his problem too.
No, I don't need in Arabic. Even
No,
in English, it's not making
you are
sense. He needs to
discussing
speak in Arabic. Utter nonsense. Please, Surah An-Nisa, Surah 4. What should he? Which ayat? Yeah, he has. Look at this list. Surah ayat. Please, God. Let's first one.
Look for this
Where?
one. Surah
Yep.
4, verse 100.
Okay, Surah 4, verse 100. Let's read. Please read. Tell me where it says Mecca, Hijrah was from Mecca to Medina, please. It's here. Don't look at me, it's here. Read,
Well, you
please.
didn't say that before. You just said hijrah.
Yeah, Hijrah from Mecca to Medina was the question. You look confused already. Hijrah
not a
from
book of
Mecca to
history.
Medina. Where
This is
does
not a
it
book of
talk
history.
about
This is
Hijrah?
Quran.
Sure.
This is not a book of
Hijrah
history.
from Mecca to please. The cameras you're hiding.
History.
Hijrah from
biography
Mecca
is
to
in
Medina.
Sunnah. Hadith.
Please.
Authentic hadith.
No, he said
telling
Quran,
us these
please.
stories.
I know that there is also.
No, yeah, let him finish his
tell that
conclusion.
Quran.
Surah, no,
If you
one
get
second.
the
The
clown.
glasses are coming out.
You get the
Okay.
clown
One
and
second.
tell him.
But
Don't come too near, please.
let
Yeah.
me say
So,
something.
that,
I didn't
as
come
we
to you,
said,
clown.
we are
Surah
Muslims,
4,
yeah.
An-Nisa,
As
ayat 100.
Muslims,
I'm holding.
not a history
It's here.
I can't see your
This
fingers
is
in the way.
Quran.
Okay.
It's stupid Arabic. What we get
What is
for
his
if
point?
Muhammad is
Exactly.
Mecca or Medina?
Exactly.
What's the point?
What is his
Oh,
point?
really? What is
What's
the point?
If I'm true. Where is Muhammad?
Stay
Yeah, does
focused.
he think he was in Cairo or in Moscow
I
or
don't
in...
know. I don't
Whoever
know.
emigrates
Or in London,
for the
he was
cause
in
of
Mecca.
Allah will
So
find
what?
on the earth many locations and abundance. And whoever leaves his home as an immigrant to Allah and His Messenger
Brother.
and then overtakes
don't
him,
speak with the clown.
his reward
Don't talk
has
to him.
already become abundant upon him. And Allah is ever forgiving and merciful.
So, is there a reference of Hijrah being from Mecca to Medina?
We can use this verse. We can look at all the other verses.
Please do.
Then we can look at all the hadith.
No. Please look at the Quran first. Hadiths were written centuries later. Look at the Quran. Find out how you would build a case for a Hijrah from Mecca to Medina, please.
Why
Please
do we
look.
need to do that?
Because I'm hoping you'll make sense. You haven't made sense so far.
Yeah, but the
You're
thing
standing. Why did you grow a beard, sir?
Because the messengers had a beard.
Yeah, in other words, you've taken your religion seriously.
So did
and
Jesus have a beard?
One second.
Let me
You've
ask you a question.
No, one second.
Did Jesus have a beard?
One second, please listen.
No,
to
no,
me.
you listen to
No,
me.
one second.
Did Jesus have
you
a beard?
You asked me a question.
You are clean shaven.
One
You-
second.
Do you?
One second.
Did
If you
Jesus
listen,
have a
don't
beard?
punish. Please don't punish. You asked me.
Did the
Why
disciples
is
have a beard?
no? You asked me. Why is
Now
this
you are
question?
being tricky.
Why is this question important?
You said about
You asked me why is this question important,
So
and
why
I'm
you
trying.
don't have a beard?
You asked me why is this question important. I'm trying to explain why this is important. This question is important because you've grown a beard. You're taking your religion too seriously, and therefore you better make sure what you're following is right.
Did Jesus have a beard?
I'm not interested in your beard. Look, the barber's closest one I can point
Did
the
Moses
way
have
to.
a beard?
But Muhammad,
Abraham have a beard?
Muhammad, Mecca to Medina.
Did the disciples have
Where
beards?
is the reference to this?
Did the Romans have beards?
Look at him. I am asking him whether he'll end up in
You
heaven.
look like a Roman.
Look at him taking his
You're
religion.
mocking a beard?
I am trying to find out if he is going to end up in heaven or
You say
hell.
you're following Jesus.
He is focused on my fashion sense. Can you imagine this
You are
nonsense?
saying you follow Jesus and you're mocking beard?
For some reason, he wants to shave his beard like the way.
Jesus as well for his beard?
I'm not mocking you. I'm saying the gentleman, I asked a simple thing to the gentleman. I asked him, where is the
Your
evidence?
questions are
One
never
second.
simple.
I completely understand.
Very tricky.
To you. Listen to me carefully, my dear
You
friends.
spend many
I asked
hours
my
planning
precious.
these questions.
I am asking my
They're
precious
blind
friend here.
trust.
This is a lovely man. We have viral videos from him, so I need to respect him. No, he's really genuinely a lovely man.
I'll wrap up in 20 minutes.
Sure. I asked the gentleman a simple question. The simple question was,
It was a tricky question.
what is the evidence he has for Muhammad engaging in a hijrah from Mecca to Medina? And he said it's in the Quran. I said where? And he tried his luck once, 5 minutes after Google search, and he failed. Once he failed, he is asking me, why is this question important? And I'm trying to explain to him why this is important. Two specific reasons as to why this question is important. Reason number one,
So you think he did it?
one second. Reason number one is because he's growing a beard. What do I mean by that? I'm not interested in his fashion sense when I say that. What I'm rather saying is, looking at his beard, I can see that he is taking his religion seriously. Now, what I'm rather finding out is that he is taking a religion seriously without having a clue. And so the first reason for him to find an answer is to have clues before following a religion. That's reason number one. Make sure you're following not a brainwashed fancy Mickey Mouse story, but rather historical truth. Before growing your beard, you should focus on this. That's reason number one. Reason number two, why is the hijrah very important? It is one of the most important building blocks of Islam. Why? Your entire Islamic calendar is after the hijrah. Can you imagine this? As a Christian, the equivalence in my case is the death, burial, resurrection and the person of Jesus Christ. My calendar is based on Jesus. As a matter of fact, worldwide, the calendar was based on Jesus until brainwashing religions such as Islam came. Now that we have the brainwashing,
Do you condemn Hamas?
do you believe in a hijrah-based calendar, sir? Do you believe in AH, hijrah?
We do believe in the hijrah. I mean, do you
We,
deny?
not we. Don't
I
ask me.
think everybody.
Every Muslim believes in that.
There's nobody.
So,
is there
no,
anyone
if you
who
don't-
denies the hijrah.
One second.
Who denies the hijrah?
Look at this joke
Are
here.
you denying the hijrah happened?
I am denying, and that is my entire point. If you are not denying, provide me the evidence. What is the evidence that you have that there was a hijrah from Mecca to Medina? What's the evidence?
What's evidence?
Your entire
the
calendar is based on that. Provide evidence.
The evidence is found in hadith.
The evidence is found. Which hadiths? Which hadith?
Well, give me a minute and I will come back to you on that.
Sure, please. Take your time, please.
All right, give me a minute.
Don't escape. Please stay here.
No, I'm gonna.
No, we want everyone to know.
Hold on.
Please stay,
Recite
please
a
stay.
shahada. Recite a shahada.
No, once, no, please don't.
Recite a
Why,
shahada.
why?
Recite a
No,
shahada.
please.
Real question.
Please.
Recite a shahada.
Take your time. 1 minute, please. Go ahead. Google search, open chat GPT, whatever,
Well,
please.
there are millions of hadith. You
Please.
realize.
I realize there's all sorts of different, please, and that's why, please do. I'd like to find out, where this nonsense is going. I'm really. You are a Muslim, sir. Please help him. He is trying to find out the evidence for hijrah from Mecca to Medina, which is very important for a Muslim. Well, whatever counts as
Hijrah is not a
evidence.
religious program.
Do you know when you were born?
No,
If
it's
I
not
ask
the
for
calendar,
evidence, what
the
kind of
calendar.
evidence would you produce?
Is that the calendar, man?
But please listen carefully.
What if I don't have a birth certificate?
If you don't have, you can't prove. Very simple.
Yeah, you can see
If you
me.
don't have, you can't prove.
You can see
If
me
you
as
have
I
to
was
prove,
born.
if you have to prove, what kind of evidence would you show for a historical event?
It's just in the
You tell me, sir. Exactly. So don't ask me what kind of evidence. Just get the documents. Find out.
Which is the hadith is straight.
Look, he is using your phone. Where is your phone? Work on it hard. He is struggling. You better begin to struggle, my dear friend. You need to jihad to find out these answers. Please jihad.
There's no struggle.
Show, please. Hijrah, where is the evidence? Hijrah, where is the evidence?
No struggle about hijrah.
Where is the evidence?
What is hijrah first?
Find out where is the evidence. Your
What is hijrah?
Mickey Mouse Harry Potter story
What is
have
hijrah?
one of the events in your Mickey Mouse Harry Potter story. That's what hijrah
If
is.
you don't believe in the Mickey Mouse, why do you need to believe in hijrah?
I don't believe without evidence. If you want me to take this seriously, find the evidence.
What do you want?
Evidence.
What evidence do you want? What do you want?
No.
Do you have hearing issues?
What is hijrah? What is hijrah?
So you believe in
What is hijrah?
Hijrah.
At this rate, the next question,
According to you.
please. At this rate, the next question is going to be, what is your name? You'll ask me what your name is.
Mohammed,
That's where this is going.
Mohammed.
You're just
Excuse me, my dear friend. Hijrah is this most important claimed historical event in Islam where Muhammad fled Mecca to go to Medina. That's what you think. It is so important to Islam that your entire calendar is based on that. Hijrah. Now, but from what I see, it is fantasy Harry Potter story. And so I am now trying to find out where your evidence is. We have one man struggling, the second man panicking and refusing to struggle, and the third man asking a couple of questions and already backing. This is what is happening with Islam. Where is the answer?
Come close.
Don't explain, bring the evidence.
So do you want a hadith or something in Islam?
I'd like to
which
have a
says
co-
that there's a hijrah and there's the name Mecca is mentioned and the city.
I would like to find out
Why would you?
the historicity
why
of
would
this
you-
fantasy
why
story.
would you base
Please
your
listen.
guidance on finding
Clearly, the gentleman here
specific
was too busy panicking that he hadn't paid attention.
scenario? Because people don't
I will
normally-
explain. I will explain.
Much-
He is asking me. He is asking me
It's a very strange
why.
basis.
Why?
An argumentation.
Why? I'll explain. I think your ideas of Islam, all of Islam, is fantasy. Your entire idea of who put together the Quran, why the Quran was put together, when the Quran was put together, and whether all of these came from one source, whether these came from a person called Muhammad, whether this came from the 7th century Arabia, all of these are questions that you need to be asking. But the problem is, if your entire storyline is mythical, none of these things add up. And that is where I am beginning to expose.
Hijrah was a
One
myth.
second. Of course, if you are unable to show evidence, it would be a myth, my dear friend. Please. So then show the evidence, please.
It's a myth.
Where is the
I think
evidence?
it's an absurd-
Where is your phone, my dear friend? Where is your smartphone? Look,
I found it. I found
the gentleman here is a lovely man. The gentleman here is a lovely man. He's very friendly. What's the gentleman here, unlike many other Muslims at Speaker's Corner, is very lovely. He is very friendly, and that's marvelous. And I enjoy my conversations with him, and he is a good sport. He also laughs with me. That's really good. But the problem right now is in the question that I've asked, there is only one thing which is smart,
it's a
which is
very
not
smart
him,
and tricky question.
but only his phone.
your
And that is why his phone is called a
question is very
smartphone.
tricky and-
Where is your smartphone, my dear friend? Where is it?
You are putting me on the spot with your tricky question.
Ah, really?
You know, but I
Tricky, listen to this.
I think it's an amazing example.
All right. A basic question about Islam has suddenly become a tricky question.
How you can make the
Why?
weirdest argument.
Sorry.
Islam is tricky.
Why? I told you earlier. My dear friends, you know when establishing history would become tricky. You know when? When your ideas are fantasy. When your ideas are fantasy, to establish basic facts would be a struggle. It would be a huge trick. Like if I come here and ask any one of you, give me the evidence for Harry Potter's existence. Of course that would be tricky because it didn't exist. And that is the struggle our gentleman is going through. My dear friend, today is Resurrection Sunday. I can provide, contrary to your struggle, even though you were 90 years old, you said? 70. Even though he is relatively a grown man who has learnt Islam for, I don't know how long he has learned. He has been at Speaker's Corner for a long time also. So he must know Islam, at least the basics, not perhaps everything, at least the basics.
Yeah, the basic theology.
But the basic thing is,
your questions are
even
never
a
about
hijrah he is struggling on. Even hijrah. One of the most basic things. Without hijrah, he can't use his calendar. His Ramadan celebration is all junk without his hijrah. So one of the most basic things in Islam, he hasn't got a clue about.
Why aren't there still pagans in Mecca then? Why aren't there still
Good
idols
question.
around the Kaaba?
Good question. So the gentleman is asking, why aren't there still pagans in Mecca? I'm assuming
Why aren't there still idols around the Kaaba?
idols
And why aren't they
in
still
Kaaba.
practicing their
Sure,
own
sure.
old
Why are
beliefs?
there no idols in Kaaba? I'm assuming our friend here. One second. I'm assuming.
So how did all that?
Once. I'm assuming the gentleman here wants to demonstrate the historicity of Islam, in this case Hijrah, through implication. That's what he's trying to do.
Yeah.
If Hijrah did not happen, there must be idols. That's what he is thinking. Unfortunately for you, my dear friend, there is proper research, not Islam. Islam is brainwashing. There is proper research, archaeological, that is happening in Arabian Peninsula even today. There are thousands of rock inscriptions that are being studied across Arabian Peninsula, and we know the answer today. Why is there no idolatry in Arabia today? Well, for two reasons. The second reason, of course, Islam came second, but the first reason is, for about 2 centuries in many parts of Arabia, and in some parts at least 5 centuries, idolatry was already gone before the time of Muhammad, says history. What history? Epigraphy, rock inscriptions. If you want to get to know this in detail, go to 2 or 3 scholars. Ahmad Al-Jalad, Dr. Ahmad Al-Jalad. He is an Arabic speaking, I think from Kuwait, from what I remember, but who is based in the US right now, who is a world leader in epigraphy of Arabian Peninsula. He is studying this in detail. There is another scholar called Michael MacDonald. He is based in the UK. He's an Englishman, Scottish man perhaps, Scottish man, MacDonald. And he preceded Ahmad Al-Jalad, but he is also still in the field. Learn his research studies, you will find out idolatry was removed from Arabia not by the Muslims, but clearly through Jewish and Christian missionary work, which came about centuries before when Muhammad was supposed to have been in Arabia. How do we know this? Based on rock inscriptions which have been studied from across Arabian Peninsula. That's your answer, sir. Your hijrah,
I think,
is mythical Harry Potter. When you go home, you have something serious to consider. I am a Christian.
I can't just
One second.
take your word.
I am please. That's why I'm saying when you go home, please study this in detail.
Well, if I
In
get-
contrast,
Go 5 minutes before the battery goes off.
2 minutes.
I got to go.
2 minutes, we'll wrap up. No, don't go. Please, wait. In contrast, I am a Christian, and the biblical history is rock solid. We know who Jesus was. We know who followed him. We know what kind of teachings he gave. We know the conflicts in the Judea, land of Judea and Samaria of the first century. We know exactly what happened to Jesus. We know how he ended up on the cross. We know how he was put on the grave. And we know how he came out. We know history based on serious historical resources. If you email me, right. So he needs enlightenment, but he doesn't want to read. If you want to email, I'll give you. It seems, stay quiet. This is Speaker's Corner. This is not Clown's Corner. My dear friend, this is Speaker's Corner, not Clown's Corner. So you're not the focus right now. You are a clown. Listen carefully. If you want to learn, I can send you an ebook. Email, I will send you an ebook. But if you just want to mock and move away, by all means do. No one is focused on you. Thank you very much.